I'm getting ready to go for a quick run. Before I do that, I want to give you a quick lesson on relating division of fractions to multiplication concepts. A vocabulary term that you're going to need to know is reciprocal. Now, mathematically, what a reciprocal is, it's that when any number that we define as x has a reciprocated value that is 1 over x. Really, all it means is that if you ask for a reciprocal for a number, you take that number and you put it over 1. For example, the reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. We just took it, threw it under 1. It's really kind of flipping it. This is going to be important when we're talking about division concepts. We're not going to get real deep and heavy into it this year, but there is some stuff that you need to practice and understand. 3 divided by 1/4 is expressed as how many 1/4 really are in 3. These are problems that we've addressed before in different ways, but this is just used to deepen our number sense when it comes to fractional numbers. If we take 3 and we divide by 1/4, that really is taking 3 wholes and splitting it into fourths. So if you divided 3 into 1/4, how many 1/4 would you have? Well, you can count. It's easy. There's 12 1/4 here. Now, in the algorithm, what that looks like is 3 divided by 1/4. We take that reciprocal, which the reciprocal of 1/4 would be 4 over 1. We just flipped it. And we multiply, really, because that's 3 wholes multiplied by 4 pieces per whole. 3 times 4 equals 12. So really, 3 divided by 1/4 has the same value as 3 multiplied by 4. Let's look at another example. The other side of it is we might take something like 1/2 and divide by 4. A question might be asked similar to, what is the value of each piece of 1/2 if 1/2 is divided evenly by 4? Well, if we model that, we have the 1/2 in blue, we split it into 4 equal pieces. Well, it's 1/2. You can see that I've dotted the other fourths there. Okay? We take 1/2, which you can easily count that there's 1 out of 4 blue pieces. The other half would be split into 4 even pieces. That's 1 out of 8 total. Looks like our multiplying fractions. As a matter of fact, when we take the reciprocal of 4, which is 1/4, flip it on its end. 1/2 divided by 4 is the same thing as saying 1/2 multiplied by 1/4. Really, it's getting smaller. We're taking 1/2 and we're dividing it by 4. We're making it into 4 pieces. What's the value of one of those? Well, it's 1/2, or it's 1/4 of 1/2, which is that. We end up with 1/8 because then we just multiply like normal. So for what you need to know is that 1/2 divided by 4 is really the same thing as 1/2 times 1/4, because we're getting smaller. We're taking a fourth of a half. We're taking a half, dividing it into 4 pieces, telling you the value of each one. I know that was quick. We're going to work on it more this week, but I want you to try it. Okay? I want you to show and model the algorithm. Here's your 2 problems. Joe has 12 subs. If each person gets 1/3 of a sub, how many people can Joe feed? The division algorithm actually is 12 divided by 1/3. I want you to model it, and I want you to use the algorithm to solve. Don't forget, the reciprocal, you flip and then multiply. Bill has 4/5 of a bag of chips. We've all been that way. Shoot, at lunchtime, at snack time, I'm guilty of being one of Bill's friends. If 2 of his buddies split the bag with Bill, how much will each person get? Well, you have 4/5 of a bag of chips. You're dividing amongst 3 people. Don't forget, take the reciprocal and multiply. 4/5 divided by 3, how much is each portion? Give it a shot. I'll see you tomorrow.